Good day, friends, viewer and students. Today we are going to discuss about the solutions regarding angles and possibly lines, because when we do problems and just solve them, we will be able to understand more clearly the implications of various relationship we have learned earlier. So I am taking out a problem from the book itself. It says PQ is a line, PQ is a line on which OA stands. OA stands means S terminates at O, and there are two bisectors of this angle as well as of this angle. So this bisector of this angle is T and of this angle is R. This angle is given as X, this angle is given as X, and we have to find out what is ROT, that is this angle we have to find out. Okay, this is our assignment, that you find out this angle. So I will just give it a little bit color so that you understand this difference between the two angles. So let me write down this one as, since this is x, I can write down x by 2. I can write this one as also x by 2. These two angles are equal. So to my advantage, I will take this as y and this was as y. Now I can write this whole thing as x by 2 plus x by 2 plus, I can write y plus y. So that will give me 180. Why it should be? Because it is a straight angle. Straight angle. What is straight? Which one is? POQ is a straight angle. Straight angle. Okay, POQ. Now, I will further solve this. You will find the one, if I further solve this one. So, x plus 2y equal to 180. Now let us find out what we have to solve. We have to solve the value of angle ROT, which as per our rotation, it will be x by 2 plus y. Whenever you are solving this kind of problems, you must define what is y. So you have to write down angle SOT is equal to angle TOQ is equal to angle y. This you have to write it down, because this is your assumptions. X is already given. So x is already given here. So if I divide this thing by 2, this will be x by 2, this will be y, and this will be 90. So this is exactly what we are out to find out. So this, you say this is practically two lines problem, and if you see in the book, this has been made into much larger way to scare students out instead of inviting them into the book. So use of notations, use of this kind of a notations, y and y, makes the whole problem much more simpler. So I will advise all of you to kindly use this kind of a notation and define these notations here, like I have done it here, this kind of a notation, and so you can solve the problems very easily. I'll take up another problem. This one is also from the book, and I will show you how easily this can be done. These are given in the solutions. So if you see this, it says that the 4 rays, all is to in this thing, they are rays, 4 rays, they are starting from the same point. This is OQ, this is OP, this is OS, and this is RT. So what is requested? It says prove that angle PO, this is OQ, this is not O, this is P and OK, this is O. POQ plus angle POQ, angle POS plus angle SOT plus angle TOQ is equal to 360. All you have to do is to show that this together, if I start from here and go all the way down here like this is a complete angle. So if it is a complete angle, then it is equal to 360. So all these things, I can write down X, Y, W, Z. So I can say Y plus W plus Z plus X is equal to 360. You don't have to do anything beyond this. You don't have to do anything beyond this. You don't have to go through all of these things as given in the book. I will take up another example. That is also will be from the book. And I will show you how quickly and how easily this can be solved. Remember, it is not a question of solving it correctly. You have to do it at a reasonable speed so that you are able to answer all the questions. So let us take this one. They said there are two lines AB. This is a line AB and another line CD. They intersect at O, right? Then it says that it intersect if AOC plus, okay, there is another line E and it doesn't define where it is from. It just says there is another ray, okay, another line segment, okay, let us call it E. This is given and it is given that AOC plus BOE plus BOE, this is equal to, I will again write down X and Y. So angle AOC equal to X, angle EOB equal to 1. And X plus Y is given equal to 70. Okay, now it is asking you what to do. Find BOE, find this Y, value of Y, find value of Y. What is the value of Y? And also find out the angle reflex angle of COE. That means you have to find reflex angle of COE. So this angle you have to find out. So this will be your reflex angle. Okay? It's reflex angle COE. Let us see this one little bit carefully. Okay? Now I have been given and BOD, this angle has been given. This angle has been given as 40 degree. Okay? So let us say that this angle I don't know. Let us say this angle is equal to XY. Let's say this angle is equal to Z. Okay, I can always write X plus Y plus Z is equal to how much? 180, right? Again that same thing, straight pair. Now X and Y has already been given. X plus Y is already been given. So X plus Y is given and that is equal to 70. 70 plus Z equal to 180. Therefore, Z will be equal to 110. So this will be equal to 110. So it is immediately, okay, 110 I have found out. It's not, they have not asked for it. They have asked for Y. So go on this line. Which line you will go? Take up this particular line. Take up this line. Again same straight. Again straight angle. Again straight angle. Straight angle. So if I take straight angle, then it should be Z plus 40 plus Y equal to 180. I know what is the value of Z. 110. 110 plus 40 plus Y equal to 180. Right? So I'll come on this side. Fine. Or I can erase this part. Right? Okay. If I erase this part and write there, then it would be Y would be equal to 180 minus 150, that is equal to 30 degrees. I am not writing degrees because it's known when I am working on this area, it is equal to degree. So this is equal to 30. We now know all this. Now we have to be very interesting. It have asked for which angle? He has asked for reflex angle. Let us identify its arms. So these are the two arms, right, of this particular angle. So I will be starting from here. So what angle I am starting from? 140. Okay, this I am starting from, and I am ending at what? This is 360. So this would be 360 plus 30. This 30 you have to take into account. That will be equal to 390. So I am starting at 140 and I am ending at 390. So the way to find out reflex angle, identify the leading arm. So this is, I will say, one of these arms. And I have told you, we will go anti-clockwise direction. So this will be anti-clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise direction. End to the other arm, end to the other one. And find out what this arm is starting from and what this arm is ending. So if I take, this is 390, so it should be 390 minus 140, that will be equal to 250. So 250 is one answer. This is the reflex angle, and 30 is the other answer. Okay? So this reflex angle, some students make a mistake by ending it here. No, you don't end it here. This is not. Only thing you have to check whether this angle is greater than 180, because reflex angle definition is greater than 180 and less than 360. This you have to ensure. If you do some mistake, if it becomes lower, recheck your calculations. You have understood? Okay. Now I will take up another angle. I will take up another solution. And this solution will be like this. And these angle solutions, they are, if you go methodically and you take up one point at a time and use the notation, you will find this is very, very easy to solve. You don't have to worry about anything, and don't get scared in thinking that, okay, what will happen? This is so complicated, the figure looks complicated, the statements look complicated. Don't. Take one point at a time. So again I will take up another one. This says line again xy, and line mn, they intersect. Okay, they have to intersect, otherwise there is no problem. There is intersect, and it intersects at O. Okay, so these are the common intersects at O. If POY, so we draw a perpendicular here. And we say P, this one is P. POY is equal to 90 degree. This is the notation for 90 degree. Any angle shown like this is 90 degree. Other angles will be shown like this one. Okay, so this is 90 degree. So this is given as 90 degree. And they have also written this is A and this is B. Okay, they are in the ratio of A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Okay, now I can easily write what I have to do. Find C. So they have said, what is it I have to do? I have to find this angle. This angle. This angle is called, there is given as C. So you don't have to worry. You don't have to name or use X and Y. It's given. So since this angle is 90 and this is a straight angle, so this angle would also be 90, right? So angle A plus B would be equal to 90. So I can write down, if I take the ratio as X, 2X plus 3X, it will be equal to 90. So what will be X equal to? 5X equal to 90, therefore X equal to 18. So what will be the angles? Angles A, which is first angle 2, angle A will be 2 into 18, that is equal to 36. Angle B, that will be 3 into 18, that will be 54. Agreed? Now I'll put up a degree here. Okay, so this is what it is. So if I have B now I am interested in B because they want this angle. So B will be equal to 54. So if it is 54, then I can use this particular line. I will use, okay, it is already in a different color, so you will be having no problem on it. Again, I will be using, in order to give emphasis, I will be using this angle. So this will be angle C, okay, angle C plus, let us, angle B, okay, will be 180, right? Why? Because straight angle. Straight angle. Okay, you now know the value of B. Value of B is 50. Angle C plus 54 equal to 180. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 54, that is equal to 6, that is equal to 6 to 1. 6 to 1. Okay, so I can write this angle is equal to 126 degrees. Okay, this answer is okay. This is what it is wanted. Next one is very easy. This is will be figured in this thing. So let us get down to that one also. So next one we are going to do, in this one we have a straight line and that is given as S and T. We have a point P and two lines join here as Q and this point join as R. It is given these two angles are equal, that is PQS, PQS, this angle and PRT, these two angles are equal. Okay, what you have to prove? Okay, you have to prove these two angles are equal. It is being given PQR is equal to PRQ. This is given. I'm sorry, I have given the other way around, but this is given, and these are the two ones you have to show they are equal. That PQS and you have to prove PQS and PRT, they are equal. Prove prove PQS is equal to angle PQS is equal to PRT. Okay, so this is given. So let us say this is given. This is given. Okay, so I can here the same thing. You write this one as X, this is Y, this is you write this is at W, this is at Z. You don't have to keep on writing the same thing over and over. So this is X plus Y is equal to 180 and W plus Z is equal to 180. Since they are equal to the same thing, then I can write X plus Y equal to W plus Z, right? Now what it says is given. Which one is it? PQR. PQR is what? X. And PRQ. PRQ is W. So X and W are equal. So if I cut it out, this one and this one, then Y equal to Z. Okay, if Y equal to Z, that's what we are out to prove. Y equal to Z. That means this angle and this angle. That means this is proved. So you see, use of notations. The only trick here that equation 1 and equation 2 are equal because they are equal to same thing 180 degree. Okay, so this is also 2 lines. You have to do it in 2 to 3 lines and this will be done. Okay. Now let us go to the next one. Next one is interesting and they have used, this has been used a little bit of what the way it should have been done. Okay, it says AOB is a line. You have to prove this. But let us draw it such so that O is a point and B is the other end. Okay, now they have there is lines are there. This one is D and another one is here going on this direction is C. And the angles have given. This is, let us say these are the angles are like that. This is angle is X. This angle is Y. So okay, now to give some color, this angle is Z and this angle is W. Okay, and they intersect at O. Okay, low O. So this is the total completion. This is again one line. What you have to prove? I have to prove that AOB is a straight line. And it is given X plus Y is equal to W plus Z. It's given. This is given. Right? What I have to prove? I have to prove AOB is a straight line. What do I have to do for this purpose? I have to prove that this angle here, X plus Y, will be equal to 180 degrees. If I prove that, then I can say OC standing on OB, and these two are linear pair, and so this will be done. Now I can always see again look at the whole thing. If I start from this end, I go around and do like and complete the whole circle. This is a complete circle. So I can easily write X plus Y plus W plus Z is equal to 360. There is no problem on this. So this at X plus Z, W plus Z, I will put X plus Y. X plus Y plus X plus Y is equal to 360. So 2X plus Y is equal to 360. So X plus Y is equal to 180. Once I have proven this is equal to 180, that means x and y are linear pair. X and y are linear pair. So AOB is a straight line. So these are very, very simple problems that has been given in the book, and I think these are the kind of thing that you will be getting in your exam also. So don't get confused by looking at this thing. Try to read fully what is there, and you will be able to solve it immediately. Let me take another one, and this is also saying that there is a line which will say, I'll draw it like that, x, y is this, I draw the line like this, and I take a z in this direction, okay? So it is saying this is x, this is y, and that is z. Okay, this should be in capital letter, okay? Y, and this will be x, y, z. Okay? It says draw a figure from the given and extend xy is extended to p. Okay, extended to p. Draw a figure from the given already drawn. If ray y cube bisects zyp, then find xy cube. Find xy cube. Find this angle, okay, and find xy cube and reflects qyp. QYP का reflects QYP का रिफ्लेक्स निकालो. तो इसको हम कैसे करेंगे? अगेन हम इसको करते हैं x and this angle I don't know why it says xy, it says xyz. Yeah, has to be there. This is 64. So I can find out easily. So 2x plus 64 equal to 180. So this is 2x is equal to 180 minus 64, that is 6, 1, 1. So therefore x is equal to 58. Right, agreed? X equal to 58. So you can write down, you can see 64 into this, it is this. Now again we will go to that way. QYP. QYP is what? QYP is this angle. QYP is this angle. So we will go, and this value is what? 58. Okay? So I will go anti-clockwise direction. That means I will go to find out deflection angle to this direction, and I will end up here. Because this is the other arm of this angle. This is the angle which falls in the line of anti-clockwise direction, and it lands on here, the other arm. So what is the total? Because this is a straight line, now I will be considering this as the straight line. So when it goes around here, that will be 360. It's not going crossing beyond this. So it's 360 minus 58. So that will be 302. Okay? This is reflex. This is okay with you? Okay, this is another very, very interesting reflex angle work. Okay? So we end it here. কত হয়েছে এখন? another interesting problem from the book. This is number 5, which says that POQ is a line. POQ is a line. And then we draw a perpendicular on POQ and we call it OR, and this is given as 90 degrees because we are drawing a perpendicular. Now we draw another line S at any angle. It doesn't say anything. And what we have to prove, we have to prove that angle ROS, that means this angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS, right? This is what is required. This is we have to prove. Okay, let's go into our notations because we don't have to then keep on writing angle this and angle that. So let me write this angle ROS as A, this angle as B, right? So I can write from, since this is 90 and this is a straight line given, I can write A plus B equal to 90, right? I will now multiply it twice because I need a 2 somewhere to make it a half. So in order to do so, what I will do, I will multiply it by 2. So it is 2A plus 2B equal to 180, right? This is one equation. I will do this. Then I find that I can put another one which will be equal to SOQ or QOS, that will be QOS angle plus angle B is equal to 180, right? Say this is relationship 2. So now equate 1 and 2. If we equate 1 and 2, then we have 2A plus 2B is equal to angle QOS, because I don't want to write that 90 this thing, so I am continuing with QOS plus angle B, right? I can eliminate this thing if I remove 1B from here, so it will be QA is equal to 2A equal to minus QOS minus plus B minus this will come here minus 2B. Okay, this is okay with you? Should be okay. There is no other alternative. So I am continuing it here so that we can get a good coverage. So this would be A would be equal to 2A will be equal to angle QOS minus B. What is B I have taken? B as I have taken, B is equal to angle POS. So let us put it down here, equal to minus angle POS. Therefore A means what? Angle SOR equal to half of angle, I must put it within a bracket because half has to be taken into account, QOS minus angle POS. Okay, so this you see, if you don't multiply this one here by 2 and equate this, it will take you a lot of time in order to solve this equation. So there are typical tricks which you must learn from my video in order to do these things equally. Again, towards the end, we will stop this presentation here, and towards the end, I will request all of you to like my channel and subscribe, because there will be a number of videos, a large number of videos we will be putting up in my channel, so that this liking and subscribing will also help me to do all this needful. Thank you.